In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring expenses in Zoho Books. Setting up recurring expenses is a great way to automate your regular payments, like subscriptions, rent, utilities, or any other costs that repeat on a schedule. Instead of manually entering the same expense every month, you can let Zoho Books handle it for you, which saves time and helps keep your accounts accurate and up to date. Once you're logged into your Zoho Books account, start by heading over to the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the section where you manage your purchases. Click on the option labeled Purchases. This is where Zoho Books keeps all your expense-related features, including the recurring ones we're going to work with. After you've opened the Purchases section, you'll see different tabs or options along the top or side. Find and click on Recurring Expenses. This area shows you every expense that has been set to repeat automatically. If this is your first time setting one up, this page might be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, you'll want to create a new recurring expense. Look for a button that says New Recurring Expense, usually located near the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click that. Zoho Books will now open a form where you can define exactly how this recurring expense should behave. On this form, fill in all the necessary details for your expense. Start by entering the vendor or payee, so you know who you're paying. Then, give the expense a clear name or reference so it's easy to identify later. Choose the appropriate expense account, such as utilities, rent, or software subscriptions, depending on what the payment is for. Set the amount of the expense, and then choose the frequency. You can usually select options like weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on how often the payment recurs. Make sure to set the start date, and if needed, specify an end date or a number of occurrences. You can also add tax details, descriptions, or notes if they help your bookkeeping or your team's understanding. Once everything looks correct, scroll down and click on Save. Zoho Books will now automatically create those expenses according to the schedule you've set, reducing manual work and helping ensure you don't miss recording any regular payments.